chart option. So for that also I'm taking one more pivot. Say this time I'm going for category wise sales. So this is data. I'm saying I'm looking for pie chart. I click on pivot and I choose the pie. From the selection I choose the required style. I'll say this time let me close this pivot option. So this is the outcome which I'll get after clicking the pie chart option. I say I want to show this label. It is there on label. Here I want few more things should be get displayed. I say category name should also be there, and instead of value I want percentage should be there. That change is you can go for. Even if you are saying inside and should be there, or it is outside data should be there, depending on case you can take a call. Let it be out inside and boundary to be touched. Number format is I'm not looking for any change. So I removing this buttons, again analyze, fill buttons, hide all, and legend is again not I'm looking for because it's already been clearly described. So I'm changing the font size, make it more readable, and title I'm saying it's a category sales contribution. That's my pie chart. That's a normal case.